Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video we will be continuing our middleware concept. So here we are going to make some middlewares and I'll show you how those things work. So let's begin by first implementing a route. Post we can make, and we will make a slash middleware so that you can get that it is really working. Okay, then we will have request response. Then we will get inside here, then try and catch block. So what we are going to do first we will response if everything goes well, then status 200, then JSON here will be the message middleware's working, middleware's working. Okay, then we will come to this side, restart status 500, and in this we will show error only, whatever error we will receive. So now let's make some middlewares are just functions but not usually the same one. So first we will try to check the token. So we will make a check token function and we will make it an arrow function. Then inside this, the parameters in these middlewares are quite specific. So what will be the parameters? They will be request, response, and a new thing that is next. So you guys already know about request and response, but this next is something new. So what it does is when all the conditions are fulfilled or satisfied within this function, then this next will call the next function that is like placed behind that middleware. It will call the next function. Okay, so that is why this next is used. So first we will get our token key. Okay, from where? From our request header. Okay, so and we will check if token key has own property. So what does this has on property do? So this is a property of the object which helps us in identifying whether that property is the property of this object or not, because objects have a lot of properties which are also inherited from other functions as well, or no function, not objects as well. So this helps us in checking out whether this property that we have provided is the same property and it belongs to the this object only, not any other object. So this is why has own property used. So we will pass whichever property we are looking for. So we are looking for token. If this token is not contained in this object, then what we are going to do, we are going to return status 400 and we are going to send a response that will be having error and the message that token is missing in headers. Okay, token is missing in headers. Okay, but if it is provided, then we will call the next function. So next is used for that. Then after doing this, we are going to export this function, and then here we will. So when we are placing the middleware, it is placed between the path and the uh, arrow function that we are providing it here. So it is in between. So we will place it here, check access token, if this function is satisfied, then it will call the next this function. If these conditions are not satisfied, then it will return from here only. It won't come in this part. Okay. So now it's time. Let's check whether this function is working fine or not. So we will make a Thunderclient request for this thing. We will do user middleware is our path. Okay. So here we will post this request, and we are not providing anything in the headers. Token is not provided here. So let's send this request and see what happens. So see, when token was not provided here, then it is showing that token is missing in headers. Okay. But if I'll provide token here, token here, okay, then I will press on send. Then let's see what happens. See, middleware is working. So it is just checking for these keys. What about this value? Let's make another middleware that will check this value as well. So we will do verify token. Okay, and we will use the same thing because will be also a middleware. So here we will get the token. From where we will get the token? From the headers. And what will be the key that will be containing this value? It will be token. Okay. Now what we are going to do to verify it? We have a function in JWT called verify. Here we will pass the token and the secret key we use to create this token. And after that we can pass a arrow function which will be containing error, and you can pass any other thing that you want here, but I'm just passing the error. So if error occurs, then just return me this error. Okay. Oh, I provided an error. Okay. Just return me that token value is missing, or token is not verified. Token not verified. Okay. So it will return token not verified, but we will have to store it in somewhere. We will store it in this variable error while verifying. So if we will receive any error here, error while verifying, then we will return this as response. Okay. If none of the error occurs, then what we are going to do? We will just pass this value here. Okay, whatever token is not verified. Then if it is verified, then we will call this next function. Okay. So and again we will export this here. Okay, and going here we can import it. But can we do it like this? Let's check out. Can we do it like this or not? Okay, we have provided this verify token, and let's see whether it will work or not. This is there is no value provided, token not verified, it is throwing. We can provide some value, still token not verified, error is showing. Okay, so this will work this thing also, but it's better to place it like this inside an array. Okay, so that everybody can see that this whole thing is a middleware. Now token is not being verified, but how the token will get verified? That's a question. So to do that, we will have to again go to our login thing and create a new token. So let's move to login. Okay, and we will go inside body. Here we will do email. We will give then bug@gmail.com. Then word is what 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay. Now when we will send this, we generated a token. Okay. So now we will copy this token and we will paste it in our headers. Okay. Here. Now we will select this token and we will go to our middleware function. Now let's send a request and see what happens with whether our token will be verified or not. So JSON input unexpected, and it is saying what happened here. Okay, let's remove this whole thing. Again restart our server. Now our header is containing this key as well and the value as well. So let's check out now. So middleware is working. That means both the middlewares are satisfying the condition. And here when I provided the actual token, then it verified this one as well, and it went till here and it sent this response. If you want to check whether this working or not properly, then you can throw some errors here. Okay, so new error kind of thing, you can do this as well to check whether this is working or not. Okay, so now you got both these middlewares are working. So this is how we implement middlewares in our routes and check for whether condition like authentication, authorization, body validation, everything. So it's a very good concept and very valuable one. If you have a good grasp on this knowledge, then it will be much easier for you to build routes and pipelines in Node.js. So thank you guys for watching this video. And if you like this video, then please comment and like this video. That will keep me motivated. Okay, and if you want any other concepts that you want me to cover, then you can mention in comments. I will really, if I have that concept at my disposal, then I will surely make a video about it. Thank you guys, have a great day.